It's Reflection Sunday, and today I'm going to talk about the peace of waking up alone at sea. Now, there's a kind of peace that you only find when you wake up alone. Point number one, it's a slow start with nothing but the ocean outside your window. No alarm and no one needing anything from me. With sunlight through the curtains and the sound of waves, that's how I start my day at sea. Point two, it's not lonely, it's liberating. People ask if it's lonely, but honestly, it's the opposite. It's calm, it's quiet, I'm not rushing, I'm not explaining, I'm just being. Number three, it's a gift to yourself. I didn't always know how to enjoy mornings like this, but solo cruising has taught me that peace is a gift. Sometimes it's found in stillness. Now, if you've never woken up alone at sea, try it at least once. You might find the version of yourself that's been waiting for you all along.
I'm SIGCruiser Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.